In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a high converting landing page in Systeme for free. I'll use this airport as an example of the product to promote, but we'll get back to this. I'll create my landing page using Systeme, but let's get straight into it. First, these are the landing pages I've created already. To create a new one, click on create and name it Airport Pro 2 or I'll add dash. I have my subdomain here and my main domain. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll choose this, which is the subdomain. But if you don't know how to connect your custom domain name, I'll drop a link in the description box. So you have build an audience, sell, custom, run an evergreen webinar. When you select this custom, you end up getting to the template, which when you select build an audience, you're gonna end up on the same things. Why not select this? Then currency, I've set it up to US, but by default you can select whatever you want. This matters when creating a page to sell a product or a course. Click save when that is done. Yeah, and as you can tell, it's active already. Click here on the airport or the product name. I don't want a thank you page because I found this to be an extra step for the prospect. Normally I don't use it. Confirm, select a template to use, and by default whatever template you select here, you have to work on it. Let me preview this first. This is it. I'll close it and select. I'll change this to like this and paste it here. This should be in the lower case. I'll keep it like this. You know what, since this is a tutorial, I'm gonna click edit page. As you can tell, this is the page, and all this we don't need it. I'm gonna delete everything. But in your case, if you want to keep it like this, that's fine. You can delete whatever you don't need, but in this scenario, I'll hover to the top right, delete. I'm gonna delete everything on this page. I don't need it. I wish they have a blank template that you can use, because I like to create my stuff from scratch. That way I have a control over what I'm promoting. Let's check the page. I'll direct the potential customer to this page. That's the final sales. Go back. I wanted to use this, but the reason why I'm checking this, the final sales page or where you're sending the prospect page is white. Make sure the background page is white. Click on this cream color or whatever and go to settings, scroll down. This is the color, click on it and change it to white. We're good, and save it. You always have to keep saving. Next, headline, drop it here. I'll copy this, Ctrl C, move over, double click this. Alright, so I will say the Airport Pro 2nd generation, then highlight. Let me see, it needs to be H1. I'll use this as my sub test. I'll copy, Ctrl C to copy, go back, and I'll drag this, drop it here, double click, right click, paste as plain text, and I'll put this on one line. I'll say get the best sound. That's my sub test, and get the best sound on any level. It's time to add an image. I like this image. Also, this is the sales page. I'll use two images. I'll go back, scroll down, and I'll drag these two columns and drop it right underneath. Then I'll go back here. I'm looking for an image. This is the image. Drop it inside, go back, drop it inside again. Then I'll go back, right click, I'll save image as Airport Pro 2 and I'll say dark. Then save, and I'll go back here, right click, save image as. I'll go back and I'll click, hover and click on the setting sign or the gear sign, image file, click on the cloud sign or the image sign, select, open and insert. This is it, and I'll go to the second one, select, right click on the file under image file, select file, the white one, click on it and open, select. Next, I'm gonna add a button down here, scroll down, and this is the button. I'll drag it and I'll drop it right underneath. Let's go back here and check it's blue, which is good. Click the button and submit form. If I'm gonna capture an email address, I'm gonna keep it like this and add an automation rule, but that's not what I'm doing in this tutorial. I want a high converting landing page, and trust me, we are sending the prospect straight to the sales page. That's what we're trying to do. I'll change this to open URL. Let's pretend this is the final sales page, or like this is your affiliate link or whatever, and I'll drop it here. If you want it to open in a new window, you can select it. Like for instance, if the prospects click on this page, will still exist, but it's gonna open a new page like this windows. They can go back and forth. But the strategy I'm showing, you need to pay attention to it. This is how you do it if you want a high converting landing page. So you keep scrolling. If I have to change the background color, I'll change it from here and click on it, but I don't want to do that because on the sales page it's same blue. I need to change the text on the button. Scroll down. I think I passed it. This is it. The main thing is buy. I'll say buy. I even type. Let me go back and check one more time. This one is buy and the other one is add to cart. I want to make use of both. Buy and the sub text. I think if not, resizing will be a bit difficult. Let me just resize this to make it big. That is the sub text. No, I think 26 is better. Sub text is add to cart. Let's see, add to buy. All right, normally it's add to cart, like they say buy. Then I'll increase to, let's say 16. 16 is all right. If I want to reduce the size a bit, I can do. Let me push this close. The padding, I'm going to reduce this to 0 and this to 0 as well to make it a little, let me see, like this one 3. Then save and save again. I'm going to add a test, but first I'll add the box here, 3 columns, and you'll see what I'm doing soon or shortly. It's too close. I'll undo. I will grab it again and I'll go a little down. This time it's down here. I'll add test inside this box. Add another dummy test. Add catchy text. This I will highlight everything. Control C, go back, double click, and paste it as plain text. I'll highlight everything, go back and move it to the left. Click on it and just work it out. This cannot go any further. Click on it again. I'll take off the 5 and next again, and I'll go back again and I'll highlight this, copy, go back, right click, paste, and I'll highlight everything and move it to the left. Well, let's edit the test. Yeah, or better still, and click on this. That's my first test, and I'll add another. Let me keep this like H3, H4, H5. Yes, I'm gonna duplicate it, and move it under this. The link is active. Next, I need to add a line. Trust me, you need to do all this if you want something good. I'll add disclaimers. If this is an affiliate link, you need to add your affiliate disclosures. For instance, I'll go here and drag a text and drop it underneath, and I'll go to my channel, grab one of my videos and scroll down. That is if this is an affiliate product. Highlight, Control C to copy, move back, double click, right click, paste as plain text, and I'll reduce the size to this, or maybe 16 is better. Yeah, and I'll grab another one more time. This is all. I'll duplicate, and this time around I'll double click and I'll go back here, or the final sales page. Just copy this, Control C to copy, and you do this if you don't have your website. I have it, but I'm assuming you don't have it. Use the vendor's disclaimers. This is good. You can do it anyhow or on one line. It's up to you. When you go back, there's a copyright thing down here. You can copy it. I'll copy, preserve, Control C, copy, go back again. However, when you see the orange, duplicate again. You can tell this has been moved down. Double click, paste, and then you're gonna change this to the name of the site you are using. In my case, it's Blogstorm. I'll use Blogstorm to make it easier for you to understand. I'll put this on one line, paste, like this, like that, and still make sure the underline thing is there. Save and save again. Oh, actually, let me change this. This is not a video. This is this site. Instead of video, you use this site. This site contains, alright, necessary changes. Okay, so last but not least, just click save and save. But in my case, if I have to promote this, what I'll do, I'll use my website disclaimers. I'll go here, success. In my case, I'll use this instead of this from Apple, but this is how you do it if this is an affiliate product. Last but not least, we need to preview to see how it's gonna look. I'm gonna take off this and I'll keep one. This is why it's always good to check. I will delete this one, actually delete the whole thing, and go back here, drag an image and drop it, and I need to push this down a bit. Pardon the top, I'll push it down a bit. Yeah, I think 25 or 26. I'll click here and I'll upload it. Click here, go back, click this. Yeah, I'm using the white one instead. This blends with the page. Click save and save again and view. This is how it's gonna look. The bar is existing underline. I have to take out the underline. It's not good. I'll go back. This is why you always have to preview before you publish. I'll go back, close it, double click, and as you can tell, sorry, from the air you can tell it's underlined. There's a black line. Click on it, highlight everything, and click on the link to delink it and save again. When we double click, yeah, there's no line. This is it. If I want to link it, I'm gonna double click to highlight and click on the link. Copy. Let's say, where is the link? I'll go back here, copy the link, go back and drop it and save. It's underlined, but I'll bold it, highlight and bold it. Or I can change the color, highlight. I will highlight and I'll change the color to, let's say, blue or dark blue, something like that, to make it pop. Let's exit the page and we can view from here, but I want to go back to the main page because I want to copy the link. Then this is it. Hover on these three dots, which is the menu. Click view. This is the final page. It looks simple, but trust me, this converts a lot. You have no idea. Don't complicate things. Make simple landing pages. To promote it, copy this link, copy, open a new page, drop it, enter, bam. So the same. And when you hover, you can tell the link is down here. When you hover and you click, bam, to the sales page. But remember, I use this link as an example. Use your affiliate link. Please don't forget, use your affiliate link or your promotional link or whatever link you want people to go to. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.